pizza, we got beer, we got a bike. Let's get to work. Alright, so one of the things I'm going to do today is I'm going to get this chain off of here. I'll get a new chain and sprockets at some future point when I can afford it. Right now this one's a little rusty and real dirty. I'm just going to take it off of here so I can clean it. I'm going to start out by running around here and looking for our master link. That appears to be it right there. So we'll work on getting this guy off of here. So here's the master link. You've got this guy goes through the chain, this guy goes on the front of him like that, and then this guy slides across into those little grooves right there, clips it all into place, and you slide this guy so that the chain is traveling in this direction. And that makes sure that that doesn't come off of there while you're riding. As you can see, this chain has had much better days. We'll try and clean it up a bit so we can use it until we get a new one. Alright, well after much scrubbing, here is the chain after. It's still not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but it's a lot better looking, it's a lot less dirty, it's a lot less rusty. It's still got a few rough spots in it where it doesn't move super smooth when you try to move it, but like I said, it'll do for now. It's kind of part of working on your own bike, is working with what you got when you got it. I realize that that is not the appropriate fluid necessarily to lube your chain or necessarily to remove rust. It's what I had. It worked for now until I can pick up a new chain. So that's it for now. Another beautiful day in Austin, Texas. I was out of town for the weekend, but while I was gone, I went ahead and let this chain soak in some oil. I got some just 80-90 weight oil, some gear lubricant, put in a Ziploc baggie, and dumped this guy in it. And it looks pretty fantastic. It moves a lot better. Let it sit here and kind of soak some of this off, and then I'll give it a good rub down, put it on here. Like I said, this isn't ideal, but it'll be a good stopgap till I can pick up a new chain. I got the thing to fire the other day before I left, so I think I can at least maybe try to get it to run, to ride for a few minutes. I'm going to try and make it out to the off-road park here in just a little bit. I'm been told that this thing has a clutch issue, so maybe I can at least get it running well enough to decide if I need to tear into the clutch or not. Yeah, this chain looks a hell of a lot better than it did. It was pretty rough. And here it is on the bike. Went ahead and put that cover on. Doesn't look too shabby. I cleaned up the sprocket a bit, just again with some WD-40. It'll make do for a little while.